Hey everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here today. Today we are going to be repairing this end table. As you see here, the legs are loose. You can pull and push on them a little bit and you see those joints are loose. So basically we have to disassemble this entire thing, clean up the joints and re-glue it and get it back together. So without further ado, let's jump right into the repair. Um, I tried to jump the gun and start spreading the joints and realized, hey, we got to take the top off. So that's what I'm doing here. We are going to remove the top, and after we do that, the joints should come off freely. So as you see here, these are my trusty Jorgensen 24-inch clamps. They act as a clamp and a spreader. They are tremendous at getting joints apart successfully. As you see here, this is my Baco carbide scraper. And this is a necessity. Anytime you are re-gluing something, you have to clean up that joint and get it clean, get all the glue residue off of there, any dirt, grease, grime, whatever may be on there. So I have that Baco carbide scraper, which any of these tools I'll put in my link tree and the description of the video for y'all to find if you're interested. So obviously we got all the joints separated, we cleaned them up, we got our Titebond 3 glue on the joints, and from there we're really just reassembling it, gluing back one piece at a time, and that's really all there was to it. So anytime you have joints separating, take it apart, clean up the joints, clamp it back together, and every project's going to be a little bit different, but those principles are the same. So as you see here, our second to last little step is putting that top back on, and it was nailed down into place. So after we glue it, get the trim all set in place and nailed back down, to set these nails, I have this trusty little tool, which is a spring-loaded nail punch, and that is an awesome tool to have handy in your shop. They also make one that takes out door hinge pins if you ever need one around the house. So I'll put a link to that in my link tree if you're interested. But that tool has come in handy more times than I can count. Really great at setting nails successfully without damaging the wood, or at least to a minimum. But that concludes our video for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you got value out of the video, feel free to hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see y'all next time. Thanks.